Да, вот она тебе поможет.
Alright, this is how it looks behind the scenes when everything is ready. So here's the T-34 tank, the legendary. So Victory Day in St. Petersburg. This is Igor in Russia, live from St. Petersburg, the greatest city in the world. One of the biggest events of the year in St. Petersburg and Russia overall. And let's check out some tanks which are taking part in the parade. This is the day before the Victory Day. Subscribe, let's go. So we'll see if they're gonna let us through, walking next to the tanks and different armored vehicles. You can see on the other side. So yeah, this is where they're gonna drive forward and then turn to the left to the Palace Square. This is unique stuff that you can get. The weather is awful, but usually it's pretty good. Wow. Ну и погода, вот, я не знаю.
Звоните, мы не звоним. Капюшон надень. А вы до конца июня остались, да, не пропускали? Опять же, там все перекрыто. Не в каком концерте? Здесь нет.
Да, вот она тебе поможет.
So I managed to walk into the salon with Olya, and behind me is military equipment which I managed to film secretly for you guys. It was a little bit nerve-wracking since it's pretty tight, but the dudes are alright and they didn't see that I was actually filming. But pretty cool, right? So it's started raining and there's a lot of equipment in the back, but I hope we'll see if the weather is much better tomorrow on the main day. So we're now back on We are back on, sorry for the camera, on Palace Square, where the preparations for the parade is ready, and we're gonna check out more equipment that are standing by for tomorrow morning. So wow, so all of these are awaiting their time of show time. Снимать ведь можно тут, да? Снимать можно ведь тут, да? Alright, so check it out. Huge. I don't know what they're called. We can see that there's a lot of equipment taking place. I already filmed the rehearsals, the general rehearsals on yesterday on the 7th. And here we can see up close how they look like. They're standing by for tomorrow. Tomorrow, after the parade, soldiers parade, comes up the equipment, tanks, of course starting off with T-34, and then fly over with some fighter jets, etc. This is a legendary Russian Jeep, sort of. And there's somewhere deeper down there is the tanks. Alright, this is how it looks behind the scenes when everything is ready. I have filmed a lot of stuff, so giving you new perspective behind the glamour. This is how it looks, and it's cool, sure. And I don't want to politicize too much, actually, at all. This is about people celebrating the defeat of Nazism and being proud of their forefathers, so to speak. And this is something I've filmed already. Beautiful Palace Square. There's a studio concert stage ready for the evening performance. It's still operating, just open for tourists, but probably during the nighttime they're gonna close it down maybe. And the showtime for the parade is at 10 o'clock. I'm gonna be here. This is awesome. I think we can film a bit more, because here on Millionnaya Street, which I also filmed because it has some interesting Finnish background, there's also some interesting equipment standing by. Here's I think they're like missiles, ballistic missiles, etc. Interesting chance to look closer. And they're not letting people in like they let me in on the other. There's the T-34. So here's the T-34 tank, the legendary. Wow. You can see some the most interesting part is definitely the T-34, and the line is very, very long. It's probably a kilometer long, maybe more, full of equipment, ready for Victory Day. Here we can see T-80s or T-72s or T-90s, I'm not sure. So that's it from equipment preparations, from military equipment preparations before Victory Day. Please subscribe and hit that like button, and see you in the next videos. Check out my other videos as well. There's a lot of stuff coming up, and watch them all. The stuff just continues.